And more than anything, local businesses need access. Access to a knowledgeable banker and access to a full suite of business services. Can't come to the bank? We'll come to you. Our devotion to our clients ensures your business never misses a beat. That's why Fremont Bank remains the right choice for local and family-owned businesses. Learn more at fremontbank.com. Member FDIC.
If dog people made dog food, it definitely wouldn't look like dusty, burnt brown pebbles. Ugh. It would actually be food. It would be made with real, fresh meat and veggies, gently cooked to preserve their nutritional value. You know, like food. The Farmer's Dog was created by dog people who cook and deliver fresh, healthy food. Try the Farmer's Dog and get fresh, pre-portioned meals tailored to your dog's needs. Tell us about your dog, build your plan, and get 50% off at thefarmersdog.com/radio.
Savings.
That's
He's so stupid.
thefarmersdog.com/radio.
Not everybody has a savings
Zuckerberg San
account. I'm
Francisco
sure she
General has been
doesn't.
here for 150 years, keeping the heart of San Francisco beating strong. Through love in the
He's so
park, pride in the
stupid. She
streets, and
repeats
victories in the
herself.
stands. At times, it has almost
fucking
flatlined, but it beats
looking
as
at me.
one when we come
Wrong
together
here.
and make this city whole again. Join San Francisco General Hospital Foundation at zsfg150.org to celebrate 150 years of keeping the heart of San Francisco beating strong.
Check back in on your ride home.
Or anytime on the free Odyssey app.
If it matters to you.
It's on KNX News, 97.1 FM.
545. Good afternoon. I'm Brian Ping.
And I'm Karen Adams. Coming up,
Women are leaving corporate boardrooms at a high rate.
mixed verdicts in the trial of former UCLA gynecologist James Heaps.
Right now at 545, let's get a check of your traffic, sponsored by Yamava Resort and Casino at San Manuel. Here's Brian Douglas.
Start with our 101 Ventura Freeway. Yeah, really tough out of Calabasas eastbound. We had a crash that was working for a while just past Valley Circle. CHP says that's just about gone. Your backup's not, though, unfortunately. Up ahead, more slowing eastbound, really from Woodland Hills all the way into Studio City. And if you're traveling westbound from Studio City, it's going to stay heavy on that 101 all the way over into Encino to about White Oak.
Yeah, not everybody has a
there.
savings
We'll
account.
stick with the 101 theme. Have a look at our house.
I've never gotten money out.
Yeah, but
So I didn't.
yeah, not a lot of people have a savings
Yeah,
account.
yeah. I don't have a. Okay, here. 20. There's 30. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, 'cause I had to take 40, so I asked the guy for change for me because, you know, I really appreciate it though. But he
Yeah, it's usually a custom amount, but I know it's only multiples of 20.
yeah.
So not, my bank, they actually added a few other choices now too, not just multiples of 20, not anymore, just any amount now.
You know what? I talked to Steve as well. He said,
That's
man,
been
that
pretty
climb
good. They
into downtown's
changed
really tough, and it is.
Yeah,
That
they've
northbound
been making
side past the 710, it is tough all the way up into basically Burbank. We had an earlier problem southbound at the 110, and that caused a lot of looking and slowing. I
Now we
think
know
that's slowing
back.
us.
That didn't take much, did it? Oh, I'm sorry. I've been from the
Oh, yeah.
Coming to the Yamava Theater January 20th.
You know, these hours are screwed up because of my sleep. I was up at 5 o'clock this morning. I told my daughter to wake me up, but I didn't go to bed until 3 because I was watching a movie. You know, and shit, so I'm just wore out. I am so tired.
It's 547. Women are reportedly leaving corporate boardrooms. Great. Our Charles Feldman says experts think it's because companies aren't creating the right atmosphere.
Women have long been a minority on American corporate boards. Some researchers say women are now leaving the jobs they have. Companies just aren't giving them good
It's
reasons
hard
to
to
stay.
see.
They just believe this is a place for me. This is a place where I can contribute. This is a place where I can grow and develop. This is a place where I have meaningful relationships.
Amy Edmonds
Oh,
is
she got
professor
in
of
there.
leadership management at school.
Sometimes, tragically, those ingredients are present, but they're not being conveyed. They're not, companies aren't doing a good job of letting people know what the opportunities are, letting people know how much they care about and value their inputs.
The 2022 Women in the
Yeah, it's
Workplace
not called
report paints
make a
dark
few
picture
calls
when
to
it
it
comes to
too,
women
but
in
I'll be
leadership
waiting till
roles.
tomorrow.
Even as some
What's
experts
that?
say,
You know, my
women
Med
can
Cal,
remain
the county
optimistic.
here,
Charles
they don't want to
Feldman,
move my
KNX
Med
News,
Cal, even though
97.1 FM.
it's since August they had my request to Francisco sent the request over, but Solano County, they don't care. So I called.
They don't want to move your what?
My Medi-Cal to San Francisco since August. I called to move it. It takes 2 months, and it's been more than 2 months. But so I called Solano County, it's really hard to get a hold of, and they just answer like they don't want to do anything. Like, yeah, we see your request, but we're not doing anything. Like Solano County has me. I can't go see a doctor there. I'm stuck here.
Yeah.
Like I was gonna make another call.
Oh yeah, doc.
Yeah, cause I can't. Yeah, I'm not coming over yet. Like I'm not driving. Like I'm not trying to drive that much anyway. But no, I was gonna call Kaiser too. Cause I have Kaiser through Medi-Cal, but that's something I wanna call to and see. But I haven't been able to. Tired a lot.
I'll call her and see if she got in there. She probably did. I don't know. We're gone a minute, so I had to try 3 damn times. No, I did the savings and the credit card, and it said invalid.
You can only take money out from my debit, not credit card.
Or something like that. And there's a long history of lack of leadership in this district.
Oh, get down there.
De Leon has turned on the city and
Get
made
out.
it difficult for the residents. Emily Valdez, KNX News 97.1.
It's 5:50.
This is the Bloomberg Real Estate Report, brought to you by the National Association of Realtors. Palm Beach
Everybody's
real
starting
estate
getting
sales
dark
could be
down
about to
in
pick up a
Colorado.
bit again after slowing down
Where's she at?
dramatically over summer vacation. And
Oh,
there's
she's
still
coming.
a lot of interest
Where?
in certain
I see her.
homes.
Okay.
The quickest and at the best prices.
I got it.
Oh yeah.
What
Thank
I call
you.
pristine
Yeah.
properties.
Ava Vandewater, broker, executive vice president of Brown Harris Stevens Palm Beach.
She's on the
They're
phone.
beautifully done.
you.
No renovations.
No, she ain't, because I hung it up.
Landscaping's
Oh.
impeccable. The floor plan's
unless
right.
it's
Everything
it might be
is just right. Those properties do not sit on the market.
The average
or
number of days on
most
market
likely.
increased slightly last year.
Yeah, probably so.
For some homes.
The properties
Did you
that
get
tend
it?
to take longer
Did you get
are
it?
the ones where buyers need a
Oh.
vision to maybe
Oh,
knock out this
there's
wall or
no
knock out
space.
that wall.
Oh,
And
the
it's worth
space over
noting
there.
the average price per square
Yeah,
foot
it's
in
got
Palm
park
Beach,
there,
well, it is
too.
still
That's somebody's
26%
parking.
higher than a year ago.
Yeah.
And that's
That's
the
all
Bloomberg
the
Estate
covered
Report. I'm
people's
Denise Hall.
parking.
Yeah.
Diabetes, blood pressure, and anxiety meds, everyone's
go
on them.
right
If
next
you're
to
a
this
50-year-old
one
male,
here.
maybe a bit porky,
Yeah,
and you may
that's
even have
pulling.
type 2 diabetes, $1 million of term insurance may only cost you about $200 a month. Call Term Provider. Speak with Big Lou at 800-777-1225. Big Lou will find a term life policy for you, even if you have to.